What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go for a cruise on a Ford RS, a WRX STI and a WRX modified. It's been a while since I've been on a car cruise. I used to be in auto salon with my car. I had a sports car before, and after that I upgraded to a luxury car. So today we're just gonna go do some revving up. We're gonna drive all the way to Wollongong and check out the scenery. I have a passion for cars, fast cars, and I also have passion for motorcycles. I also used to ride a CBR Honda 600RR. Today it's going to be so much fun. It's going to be a lot of rev. Went for a nice drive, a cruise with the WRX and Ford RS, and we went to the lighthouse of Wollongong. We had an awesome drive on the bands. We were going so fast as well as going on the straight. A while since I went for a car cruise with my mates in their sports cars, and this time I went for a nice good drive. So if you like this channel, please subscribe down below and let me know what type of cars do you like and what type of cars you've had before. So biohacking is about doing what you love. It's about biohacking your health, biohacking your lifestyle. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and see more episodes.